Musa ukwenza because when you went to Nigeria and then came back namavumelana nama Nigerian ukuthi you want ukuthi protect abantu babo, they'll give you a certain amount of money, then you come back and you say isn't this ridiculous? The people that you're serving are not living the life that you are living. And masibuki South Africa, the gap between abantu abanemali nabantu abahluphekayo is huge. We've got the biggest gap between the haves and the have-nots in the world. Therefore, abantu abangenayo imali la eSouth Africa bahluka kakhulu kulabo abanemali, because labo abanemali kubabone nawe baya ko LV baphila impilo ridiculous or private jets, but labo bahluphekayo bahlupheka kakhulu. So that's where the problem is, and one day labantu bahluphekayo will find a way of dealing with labantu abanemali in a very, very sad way, because they have nothing to lose. They really have nothing to lose. So we need to be careful ukuthi we don't isolate abantu ngalendlela ukuthi sima sibona si in leadership sitshela ukuthi we're going to be in leadership forever or sizoba kuleso simo sikusona forever. Now going back to the issue yama illegal immigrants, I've never angaze ngizwe where you consistently have to explain why into wrong is wrong. The reason why kwaba khona ngisho immigration act echazayo about illegal immigrants iyona leyo yayiguide ukuthi umuntu ola eSouth Africa ngongemthetho kumele wenziwe njani, athatha deportwe kwenziwe kanje. But thina sihleli la siya negotiate nama illegal immigrants ukuthi kube kanje hayi bayekeni inkosi yami bayahlupheka, oh they are refugees and this and that. Kanti thina yini singanaki poverty yethu ngoba phela we are currently the country ekuthiwa is the highest with unemployment in the world. But thina sisafuna ukuthi thina scaterishele ama illegal immigrants, scaterishele even ama refugees or whoever it is from outside the world. Why sicabanga ukuthi sinawo icapacity yokwenza lokho? Why sicabanga ukuthi sinama resources ukuthi sikwenze lokho? Because asinayo leyo mali. We don't have that ability. Ama resources ayashodela thina si South Africa. Yet we want to accommodate 27 million other people. And you know, masubalalele labantu, the reason belwa kangaka ukuthi bahambe la eSouth Africa is because bayazi ukuthi bane freedom abangayithola emazweni abo. That's why ngeke beze bephindele futhi emazweni abo bayolwela izwe labo ngoba thina we made them too comfortable. Baza babona ukuthi hayi ngeke la isekhaya, and thina kumele sithole impilo engcono okudlula ama South Africans, which is one thing that we need to fight for. Ngoba njengoba beqhamuka bezo replace thina ke sibuye sibuke lento njenge ethnic cleansing, where kuzoqeda yonke into ewuZulu, kuzoqeda yonke into this and that. Sekufanele kube khona lento ye mix yabo, lento baqalile nje kuthiwa khona ama Southgerian, lento angazi ukuthi what is a Southgerian, ama South Africans nama Nigerian kanjalo. Soon enough kuzobe sekugcwele lezo ingane more than they are isizwe esithile that is originally South African, because that is the mandate. Also, Somalian na yonke into, it's unregulated, it's everywhere. Yabo, and these children are going to be the very same children that are going to be standing my podiums. World Cup or whatever, but I'm proudly Nigerian. South African. Then what happens to South Africa? What happens to the core of who we are? What happens to yonke desiyo? Phekwa banamasonto abawa erectayo enza yonke imhlola le ngiyabo ama rituals esiwafice enziwa ayathusa, and these are things that are supposed to be scaring us as South Africans every day. Akufana ngabe khona iSouth African esalokhu comfortable ekuthenini yona ibone ngathi lento illegal immigration ay affect ngoba is affects us sonke, believe it or not. So as much and much we are saying ukuthi lama issues maningi kakhulu. Ngeke futhi ayikho organization la eSouth Africa eyodwa engaqeda yonke lenkinga. There's not even one. The only way we can make this work is if all of us come together and we fight this. And we need to fight it through parliament. That's why some of our brothers and sisters abakhona la, it's appreciated ukuba khona kwabo la ngoba siyabafuna bese parliament, siyabafuna be leader benza ama decisions, because that is what we want. Sifuna abantu abama patriots lapha parliament. Asifuni ukuthi kube khona abantu abazohlala eparliament kodwa bebecabangela bona. That's why it's very important ukuthi sipushe lama political parties nama organizations acabangela ama South Africans. So asike sibuke ngenye indlela nabavote inkosi yami for a change abake bemakancane lento ukuthi ngithanda usibani uma umthanda lo Sibandwane, mlalele ukuthi uthini meyikhuluma ngeSouth Africa, mlalele ukuthi uthini meyikhuluma ngefuture yeSouth Africa, because iyona into ezokuguide leyo ekuthenini ukwazi ukuthi mawuvota uvote kahle. Asike sime kancane ukuthi mina ngazalwa ngo-1942 abantu balokhuza bafela inkululeko, because labo bantu abayifela inkululeko abasekho right now, and some of them that claim to be here are not fighting for the survival of the country. Sesidlulile kwi-history manje, we need to look forward to the future of the country and forget about yonke into that was spoken in the past. Let's focus on the future. And if leyo organization eyalelo inkululeko ngo-1940 ba ithi yona izokwazi ukuthi inakekele iSouth Africa, then yes, by all means vote for them, but vote for political parties abalwelayo izwe labo kuqala. That is more important than anything. So also sesikhuluma nje as March and March kade ubuza ukuthi mhlambe what is it that we want to do going forward. Sinenkinga la yokuthi abantu bokufika they are becoming too brave. Sebeyathanda kakhulu nokusidelela in our own country. Bayathanda kakhulu nokusitshela ukuthi bona bayindawo kanjani. Asikwazi ukuthi sibe nabantu abaneleyo inkululeko kulelizwe. And it's going to take every single South African ukuthi ivuke emaqandeni. Njengoba nje nibona abantu abasho bebhizi bephuza benza ama-drugs kunama-weekend amakhulu kupromothwa i-TV, ayikho nje into i-TV constructive mawuthi yabuka kuhlezi kwama-reality show izinto engathi shu, kodwa izinto ey'balulekile. They want to make sure ukuthi asispend isikhathi enough sinake zona lezo zinto, so bazokwazi ukwenza le mikhuba le ade belokhu beyenza all these years. So now that sesivukile amaqandeni, sesinezinto esikwazi ukuzi-recognize ukuthi no man, this is not right, asivuse nabanye. Akube khona ama-weekend amakhulu, yes asiphiki, but balansani phela, ukwazi ukuthi ufocuse kwi-weekend enkulu kuphela bese ungakwazi ukubhalansa phakathi kwalokho nezinto ey'balulekile ezenzeka ezweni lakho. So therefore we are asking again ukuthi njengoba sesila thina sila ngoba abantu abala, I do believe ukuthi abantu ababalekile who know what they want to, who are watching because they want to be informed and they want to learn. These are the important conversations ekumele siyigxishe kubantu. Kufanele ngabe izona izinto ezidlala ku-TV lezi or clean governance sibone ukuthi what are political parties doing, bobani must account, but ngeke uzuyibone lezo zinto because kunalokho imedia yethu ngenye inkinga ke sibhekane nayo, because we've got a problem with our media where they want to sell us izinto ezama-narrative azohamba ebhebhethekisa izinto ezingazona, because siyabona nje kulokhu kukhulunywa indaba zokuthi lezi zinto zabantu bokufika, but abayikhuluma indaba eyinkinga kubantu bekufika ukuthi banobugebengu labantu ba-stretch ama-resources. Kunalokho bazowenza abantu bokufika kuba ngathi bona ama-victim ithina ama-vigilante, this and that. So it's very important ukuthi as South Africans we stand by the truth and we stand for what is right, ngoba ngisho ne-media yethu yayibona ukuthi sisebenzisana nabathize ukuthi paint a certain narrative. So let us continue to fight for this country, but more than that njengoba ngisho ukuthi asispende isikhathi sethu sispreada ungakhathali ukukhuluma lento yama-illegal immigrants, ungakhathali ukukhuluma indaba ye-corruption, ungakhathali ukukhuluma ukuthi sino-president ongayinaki izinto ey'balulekile la eSouth Africa. Mephume ehamba la eSouth Africa, ubuya nani for South Africans? Lama business trip akhe awani, are they for him or are they for the country? Because at the moment ngiyeza ungitshela ukuthi khona upresident ongathi kuthiwa kushona ingane eziwu-20 zimbulawa ama-spaza shop, isolution yena aqhamuka nayo ukuthi azothi lawo ama-spaza shop awaregister. Aserejistiwe-ke, what does it do for the children that have been killed? What are you doing about the children that have died because of ama-spaza shop? Just namhlanje kade ngifunda i-article eshoyo ukuthi kukhona ama-ring la ama-Somalians okuyukuthi wona lawa ahamba phambili when it comes to lento yelokhuza yama-tuck shop, but akugcini lapho. Sebekwazi ukuthi banamabhiliyoni abatholayo from our own governments bakwazi ukurana lama-spaza shop abo. How are we giving away billions of rands to people we don't know to run a spaza shop business that doesn't benefit this country? Leo mali yapi? Also, I read another article, kuthiwa ilokhuza iZimbabwe mekuthiwa bashodelwe imali, they run to this country bezowenza ama-heist. And we've seen that, ukuthi njalo kuhlale kwi-border kubanjwa ama-explosives, azowenza illegal mining, azowenza into ey'thize. Lapha e-border, why are we allowing Zimbabweans ukuthi babe in and out like lokhu kuthiwa it's because we're all African? Lo we're all African, indaba apply to South Africa kuphela. why ungabi ubangayi ko Tanzania these Arab countries or Egypt and so forth bezothi we are all Africans? Why bezokusho la? It's because we have proven over and over again ukuthi si weak. And basenze saba weak ngamabomu ukuthi bazolokhu bethi xenophobic bazolokhu besho lama narratives lawa using the very same NGOs or Helen Suzman no bani abafunded abantu bangaphandle. So yonke into leyenzakalayo la in the country is by design. It's a system that is meant ukuthi kutshengise ukuthi we have failed as black people. Sihluleko i-government because vele abantu abamnyama bathanda imali. If they didn't love imali this much, they'd be able to say, no, I'm not going to take Leo Mali because my country is more important than that. But they use the very same money to buy the very same black leaders to prove that black leaders are not capable. So this is the problem that we have. Lente is cycle. It's a system, and to break away from the system, we're going to have to be very serious about it. Ngeke futhi uzungitshela ukuthi kufanele silokhu silalela indaba zokuthi the law says this and that when it talks about the system. Ngiyeza kuthiwa noZandi Zimbabwe nami kuthiwa ngose Mozambique. So these things are ridiculous. Akusona ngisho izinto efanele siyinake lezi eyishow yilabantu ukufika because njengabantu bazosho noma yini. Hayi nithengiwe, hayi someone is sponsoring you. Ngiyazi ukuthi ukakubuza ukuthi imali sithatha up. Mina personally imali asinayo. If I can tell you, asinayo thina imali. I-March and March operates in the sense that it's responsible citizenships. When njengo citizen as South Africa ubona into wrong, it's your duty to do something about it. It's not a duty a-March and March. So when people say, hayi wozani endaweni ukuthi sihlele sibaphendula sithi ngeke size size endaweni ukuthi thina ngoba sizofika sihambe uzosala nini. So nina as umphakathi, it's your job to make sure that you are the ones enisukumayo emphakathini wenu nihambe niyolokhuza niyoma lapha emaklinikhi yabo. Bathi sinazo ama-cases where abantu befuna ukuthi basize like Eddington for example. Ngeke sithi Eddington akuhamba abantu base-Eddington ngoba sobe sibizi iNigeria yonke sithi ayikho lapho ngoba clearly lapha sekuyise-Lagos. So we've got abantu that are volunteers every day. That's why we reach out to abantu sometimes. Sicela nisiphi imali yokuthi bagibele badle every day. And you know, mina bengisebenza, I think everyone would know this, and I lost my job because of lento yokwenza March and March. And now there's a lot of things that I'm trying now on the side to make sure, but you have to dig deep in your own pockets all the time. Bakakutshela ama volunteers, there are days sometimes before a bit, hey, asinayo imali, this and that, and you have to do by all means ukuthi kube khona imali. I know one of our volunteers uzowaxoshwa ngisho endlini le ayikhokhela i-rent, and she pays about 3,000 rand a month. Leyo sekuyibhedeni yami ke manje every day fanele ngizama ukuthi ngikhokhe imali i-landlord yakhe ukuze angaxoshwa endlini la hlala kuyona ngoba waxoshwa emsebenzini ngoba enza lento ye-March and March. So it's not easy for us yabo. It's not easy. Abantu think ukuthi nje you wake up in the morning and March and March. Our faces are all over. Usakwazi ukukhuleka ney'ngane zakho because we target yabo. So it's not nice ukuthi uthi uyenza wena leyo nto, then you have very same South Africans benze eminye imikhuba saying all kinds of things instead of being part of the action. Asike siya ukuba ama-warriors la efonini. Akisukume nje siyile because this country depends on us. I'm telling you, if we don't win this war now, we're never going to win. Labantu are going to take over this country and kuzoba buhlungu sesibabuka kanje. Sesibona ingane zethu ingasakwazi ukungena emsebenzini ngoba nakho kugcwele bona. Sesibona amamayini sekuphethe bona sebephethe. Ngoba I'm telling you, even now ngihlale ngisho ukuthi yabo ngoba kunama nebhama egcwele la. Uzobona ngelinye ilanga ama-Somalians azobelwa nama-Ethiopians, angithi uyazi ukuthi vele abazwani le emazweni abo. But la eSouth Africa fanele be-tolerate-hani banikane imingcele ukuthi wena wenze ama-spaza shop. Angithi kwenzeka kanjalo currently. So ama-Somalian wona enza amalokhuza iy'tolo, amalokhuza ama-Ethiopians arana ama-tuck shop. Bavumelane ngalokho. But one day when they decide ukuthi kuvuka izimpi zabo zangale, bayobe bedubulana khona la, bebulalana khona la yabo. Ama-Pakistan noba nama-Nigeria noba ama-Zimbabwe wonke umuntu amashona namandebele awazwani kodwa abazwani khona futhi la yabo. Zonke lezi zinto abazenzayo bazenza khona la ezweni lethu, and they will end up fighting each other here in our country futhi. There is a war brewing in this country, and one way or another there's going to be blood that is going to be shed if we as South Africans do not stand up and fight for our country. We have no other choice. We've got one country, and that country is on the brink of death. And sibonga khona leadership yabantu abafana nabo Dr. Nasipha bathi anginandaba mina ukuthi whether you like me or don't like me, ngizoyikhuculula le rods le ngibona la. So I think let's push for people abama leaders akanjalo, promote them, support them. Abantu sibabonayo ukuthi they are putting South African first. Ningalokhu nibhaya into ama propaganda nama agenda abhedayo ngoba kuthiwa we are all African, we are all black. Yes, we are black, but being black means what if you are here to destroy the very country that we have as South Africa, and it's the only country as black people that we have. So ningalokhu nilalela into ukuthi black. Yes, we are black. Ukuba black kwethu akushintshe if we're defending this country, and we must defend this country with all that we have. Ngoba mangaphela South Africa, laba abaphathi oma politicians ingane zabo ziyaphesheya, zinama scholarships, zina yonke into secured, bathenga ama land, ama property outside. Uzothi mase sekushuba la bazothi ingane zabo bayaphesheya, thina sizosala la ngalenkinga. So it's our turn to fight. Let us fight for this country. Ngiyabonga. I think sengikhulunywa kakhulu. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mangobese. I think there are certain people la abathe bayacela ukunikela bayocela umemezela ukuthi kunikelwe kuphi. I'm just saying based on the comments. Samukela umyeza but sizocela ukuthi samukela abantu abahlanu abazofisa ukeda ilaka labo kule campaign that was presented today by leaders from Dudula, March and March, and Action SA. Yes, I would say those are organized organizations. Baba umnqangu
sorry ngicela ukulokhuza before because sengizo ngiyaxolisa abantu ungena emlonyeni because sengizoba busy kancane nje ngicela ukuthi ngibeke la sengivala. Ngicela ukucela ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bebesibuza ukuthi siyanini point sesikhulumile nje namadoda amaningana sifuna ukuye point ke manje ngoba sifuna kuphele lento yokuthi kube khona abantu abaneyindawo abayitshela ukuthi ezabo la eSouth Africa engafanele singene kuzona kuthiwa kune Lagos la eSouth Africa ngazi ukuthi seNigeria kona eNigeria la. So ngizocela nje abantu ukuthi bahlezi begadile lokho balindele ngoba siyandinga ngaleyo march. We need as many men and women as possible that day. Please make sure you come out in numbers because masithi siye point we must make our voices heard ukuthi ngeke sitshelwe ngokuthi nina nise Nigeria ni la eSouth Africa khona Nigeria yabakhona la, but also for laba bafuna ama banking details ngicela nje basilandele lapha yana ku Facebook, but also bangangisendela iDM la ku TikTok. Ngibonga kakhulu, ngizolalela kodwa la kodwa ngizobe sengibhizi kancane. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu kuMangobese. Bakwethu baba uNcwangu siyaxolisa mfowethu ukuthi ibambe eside kangaka isikhathi, kodwa ke ngiyacabanga njengomholi into oyijwayele le. Mfoka Miyeza soqala ngawe sizwe ngonjomane size ngo advocates sizwe elabo ilaka Miyeza.
Mbomvu ngicela ukubonga kakhulu ukwamukelwa ku live bese ngibingelela wonke umuntu okhona ngokukhethelekile lapha na umhlonisha ubaba uZwakele Mncangu nodadewethu sisi wami omdala lapha na uJacinta. Ngiyamlandela kakhulu, ngicabanga ukuthi ngangambhalela. Ngiyajabula kakhulu lesisikhathi sihlangane kule platform ngento ekanjena sikhombisa ilaka lethu as South Africans and kune non-political interference entweni esuke yenzakala. Ngiyafisa ngathi sonke singabumbana kulesi sikhathi ngoba hayi ngoba sinenkinga eserious kangako yini ye-unemployment. Kulesi sikhathi lesi Mbomvu sithi akekho uthisha okumele ukuthi aswele umsebenzi kunothisha wokuhamba osebenzayo la eMzansi. Over 500 doctors abangakwazi ukusebenza kodwa kunodokotela ezibhedlela abasuka emazweni ethawa ngomakhelwane. Sithi akekho kudokotela okumele ahlale phansi angasebenzi kube kukhona udokotela okuhamba. Kuma lecturers ngikhuluma nje nginabafowethu mina engibaziyo abangama PhD holders kodwa abadrive Uber la eThekwini. Sithi ngalokho akekho umuntu okumele ukuthi ahambe invade ispace sase UKZN institution la eMzansi ahlupheke kodwa kunomuntu wangaphandle. Akekho umuntu okumele ukuthi akwazi usiphathele isibhedlela. Ubaba uMncangu ewadila kakhulu even nalapha na kuphi kuthiwe kuphi kwaNongoma eBenedictine something like that. Ngabantu bokuhamba kuthiwa umuntu useyadayisa kuthiwa umuntu usenesitolo. And angazi ukuthi inkane kusisilana kade khona operation Dudula engathi kuyabake bavulelwa icala kanjani njanyana, but angikhumbuli kuthiwa ngalenkathi abantu bedle izingane lezi kade isabhizi idla ama snacks amaPakistan ezinye ishona ezinye ziba nokugula kuthiwa khona umuntu osekwaphakama waldozana ovula icala. Our political leaders funa babone njengamanje ukuthi lapha behleli khona Mbomvu because of us as a ground. Uma ngabe sesingasafuni ukuthi babe kwi-comfort zone lapha phezulu siyakwazi uku-acta ngoba izinto eziningi Mbovu bona ngathini bayifunda kuma-state ukuthi ubugebengu bungaka endaweni ethi abayazi yonke lento ekhuluma ukuthiwa abantu balana baneyinkinga iy'nkabi yebo nathi sinenkinga yethu sisodwa but ake sibe ney'nkinga zethu as South Africans la within the country. Ake sithi mangabe sithiwa kunomuntu wangaphandle okhona kufana njengokwamanye amazwe kuthiwa une-scarce skills like mhlambe sidinga ama-neurosurgeon experienced mhlambe 15 years what masingenawo la eMzansi sesingabathatha iy'kole ngikhuluma nje Mbomvu kade kuphuma ilentuzana I think it was from Department of Education if not mistaken kuthiwa kulezi ingane ama-matriculants awu 850,000 more than that kune space almost half of them shuthi almost 400,000 ama-university noma umthamo wa-university ongakwazi ukuwathatha. Isho ukuthini leyo nto leyo lezi ingane mayiphasa lezi ezu-800,000 zizoshonaphi kuzokwenzakala at the end of the day ngoba awukwazi kuyandawo labantu ba-innovate yonke indawo amabhilidi bawathathile ko-Johannesburg Durban kuphi izwe lethu under mess ngenxa yabo hayi ngoba si-perfect yini but ake sizonele thina awukwazi ukuthi uyotreatwa uthi uyezwa eNewcastle kuyaqashwa umuntu oqashwayo nomuntu
ngoba si-perfect yini but
uthi uyezwa ko-Newcastle umuntu oku-interviewwayo umuntu wangaphandle uthatha abantu bangakubo ko-Springfield kuma-factory ko-Durban kuphi yebo sinayo inkinga ye-unemployment but into abaholi bethu ngesimo se-cheap labor sebe-prioritize kakhulu abantu bangaphandle. Sinenkinga yama-China yabona imisebenzi yama-truck iqala mina ngikhule mangazi ukuthi umuntu unelicense eno-code 14 lo umuntu leyo ube inyama although seqashwa ngama-academic lentozana nama-agent but abantu bakithi abasenayo imisebenzi ngisho ngaphuma lapha eMpumalanga kwi-agent nani labantu bakhona babhizi and bayadelela benjalo ba-powerful bayalwa banale freedom le abangenayo emazweni abo. Ngibone even on my WhatsApp khona omunye enginaye uzethi angazi noma isonto lama-Catholic ayena elikwazi ukubasiza noma elikwazi ukusiza abantu ngama-clinics nani ethi uma ngabe these lezi South Africans enixaka hambani niye ngapha lentozaneni koma-Catholic abazokwazi ukunisiza lapho we are having a limited infrastructure even ema-clinics la ngizothiwa isiboshwa sidla 600 sidla malini ngosuku sidla almost 550 but siney'boshwa ey'suka kwamanye amazwe la eMzansi ey'ngaphezulu kwa2 million of which taxpayers money esupporta lezo boshwa lezo u-correctional service lo muntu une-access to free medication even all legal aids ama-correctional services ayakwazi ukuyoclaim ayaclaim ey'bhedlela uma ngabe kade besiza umuntu noma betreat umuntu wangaphandle. Ngelinye ilanga wathi umama laphana waka-health umama nomagugu wathi sebezokwenza indlela yokuthi bakwazi ukuyoclaima emazweni alabantu mangabe basizile ngapha mhlambe ngokuthi ba-utilize ama-facilities wethu mhlambe noma infrastructure like ama-clinic nani but sathini statement isiphuma ngale emazweni angazi noma it was Zimbabwe or Malawi bathi bona ababaxoshanga ababathumanga ukuthi beze ngapha. If iSouth Africa decide ukuthi ukubanesa noma bathe ngendlela bathetha ngayo inkinga yethu leyo nto leyo. So kulesi sikhathi ke Mbovu siney'nkinga ze-corruption nani ne-unemployment zonke iy'nkinga ne-high crime rate yonke into eyi-concern kuthina njengabahlali baseMzansi. Siyacela ukuthi kulesi sikhathi sike sithi ukubumbana kancane sihlangane sibe ne-voice eyodwa mhlawumbe isikhathi lesi ayokwazi nama-politicians ukuthi akwazi ukuhlonipha abantu akwazi ukuhlonipha i-ground. Ngiyafisa futhi uJacinta akaveze mhlawumbe even indawo lapho khona isuke ingaba yi-center nalapho kuzobe kulentozana kustructure khona ukuthi sizomobilizana kanjani ithini movement yakhona sazi ukuthi kusuka la kuyaphi kanjani mase si-achievile into esifuna kubhekwe phi emva kwalapho ngoba leli zwe leli mali ngakhathalele bayithina Mbomvu akekho omunye umuntu osawuphinde likhathalele. Siyabonga nje isikhathi sakho Nomafu nawona wonke umuntu okhona kuyipanel ukuthi makunama engagements akanje aphakanyelwe ngendlela eyisimanga kubhlungu kuzwa kuthiwa ingane ayisakwazi ukufunda kugcwele ezikoleni, and labantu laba in no time bazobe sebevota 2029, abanye babo bayavota 2034 bazobe bevota iningi labo. Lento ngihlezi ngiyikhuluma even on my account ukuthi uma ngabe ngoba mabesuka koSomalia, Pakistan, Malawi, Uganda, Nigeria, kuphi konke namazwe ase-Afrika nakuphi nakuphi, abafiki nabantu babo besifazane, abafiki nezingane zabo la, izingane bazakha la, and lezi izingane ngelilanga siyolidwa upresident oyobe negazi laseNigeria noma mhlawumbe oyobe suka ePakistan la eMzansi. Ngoba labantu mabezalelwa eMzansi bakwazi ukwenza ama-IDs, i-certificate, baklona o-home affairs, yonke leyo nto leyo siyogcina nje angazi ukuthi sesiyini kahle kahle. And mawuzala ingane ake ngithi mhlawumbe ngiwumpedi noma njengomZulu, uma ngabe udadewethu umZulu ezothola ingane nomuntu waseSomalia, leyo ngane leyo ubuhlanga bayo obuthini, iyini kahle kahle, athina amasikawo sibhekephi njengesizwe, siyakhula nesizwe sethu noma sishona phansi. Sinohulumeni onjani ongakwazi even ukuprioritize amalentozana iy'nkolelo zethu ukuthi siphila hloboni losikompilo, sithanda ini kanjani? Ngiyabonga Mbovu nawona wonke umuntu okuyipanel.
Siyabonga bakwethu, ngizocela nje umuntu abe yisoka 3 minutes ngiyazi ukuthi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Jacinta Bikaku live namuhla whereby they were speaking about my illegal foreigners saying what they needed to go. She's saying what my illegal immigrants afuna ukuthi kubonakala ngazuthi thina is wrong masibaqosha la South Africa sibani laba business xenophobia si wrong uma sibaqosha la South Africa. And she's saying ukuthi liyoba njani live lethu in 10-20 years to come, liyoba njani if kungmanje ma foreigners uthi nje ukhuluma naye umbone ukuthi une attitude lenye lesetulu kabi vele yena utifila ubelonga la South Africa, utifila ay South African. So she's saying ukuthi we need to stand up as South Africans silwe nebantu boqhamuka. Uthi yena it's not easy and impilo tabo tihlezi in danger because siyathi ukuthi ma foreigners they are not happy ukuthi bayaqosha la South Africa. So uyasho ukuthi uluze nemsebenzi wakhe because of much and much, and uthi she is not going to back down kesana uyoyilwela iNingizimu Africa until the end. So bekakhuluma nje lapha na ku live bantu abaningi labamnqome kakhulu basho ukuthi cha waze wakhuluma kamnanzi uMangobese. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.